Hey, Pred's1 here, guys. What's up? Out of Kino. Hold on, let me grab my controller. I'll show you. I'm in my car right now, just driving around. Watch. Alright, watch. See? This is proof. I'm in Kino. You see that grenade? Probably never gonna blow up. Alright, guys. I'm gonna show you. See Quick Revive over there? Look. See? Alright, now. Can't go in this very hard because I'll fall underneath the map. I found that out from my friend. His name's Explosion1. Not too sure what his YouTube is because I'm too retarded to ask him. But yeah. See, there's a double tap right there. That's a sign that says German words, probably like Hail Hitler, I'm a fucking Nazi. Hell yeah. Yeah, see, look, it's buried and everything. So as you can tell, I got rid of my gun. It's part of the glitch. I'm not going to tell you how to do it because I'm not a douchebag fag. And I'm just going to sit in the trash can, chill around. Oh, spin. Yeah, there's this room in here, and I found this little blood spot. Yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Yeah, also subscribe to the Syndicate Project. You've probably heard of him. He's pretty good. He lives in Amsterdam. And he's got like 50 million views. I don't know. He's a fucking boss. Watches YouTube videos all the time. Alright, guys. You want to see something awesome? Look at this. Oh. Shit, nigga. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go in my car. Okay, guys. Oh, I'm drunk. Oh, God. Don't know if I'll make it. Oh, goodness, I fell. Oh, God. Oh, shit, I'm falling. Oh, God. Oh. Alright, guys, I'm in my car. I'm driving home. Bro. Oh, I flew through my windshield. I died. Alright, let's replay this. Replay. Oh, see, I died. I'm just trying to have some fun, guys. Look at that teddy bear right there. Look at that motherfucking teddy bear. That is the shit. That is the fucking shit. Oh, I'm out of juice. Ooh, what's this? What's it say? Can't really read that. Can't read that. I can't read that. What the? Yeah, so that. Here, I'll let you see. It's legit. Round 13, I have Juggernog. I have 1,350 points because I'm a dumbass and I spent my money. N Brown, 31. Yeah, he killed himself, and so did Explosion1. They're big bone holes. And if you flag this video as inappropriate, I will call the cops on you, and I will have them taser your asshole. And then put jelly inside of it. And then shoot you with their Magnum, whatever the fuck they use. Not too effing sure. Explosion. Will I die if I walk past this? Right here. Will I die if I walk on this? Ah, right, bitch. Ooh, whoa. Look at that. I'm in a building, guys. Take shelter. Okay, so yeah, I'm taking shelter, dude. Oh, tornado. Oh, fuck. Oh. I'm a ballerina. Oh, look at that, dude. They have good. Look, wow. Why don't you just throw newspapers all around in your car? That is great news. What terrible news. Look at this. It looks like a soup kitchen went on in here. Like 3 hillos just came in here and made a soup kitchen. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. I think there's shit on the seat. And horse semen. Oh god. So do you think we could pump a gallon of horse semen in here? Or about 30 gallons. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this on this note. If you don't like, comment, and subscribe, or then you're a shit whore. So subscribe. I love you guys all. You guys make me feel like a good little boy. See you later.